Welcome to my channel. Explore the dsPIC. dsPIC is a microcontroller with DSP engine. It is also known as a digital signal controller. Abbreviation is DSC. My goal is to make programming and dsPIC accessible and fun for everyone. I love sharing my knowledge about dsPIC, its programming and application, especially dsPIC to control all electronics devices used in converters and sensing and display the parameters. Today I shall discuss the downloading and installation of software. Let us go to the microchip site, that is www.microchip.com. In window you will see the tab product. Click on the product. So new tab will open, microcontroller and microprocessor. Click on it. You will see in the tab new window, browse microcontroller and microprocessor. Click on this. So in new screen you will see the embedded control solutions. So here click on explore dsPIC DSC. New tab will open. In this tab you will see the target applications. Scroll down, then you will see DSP performance with the simplicity of MCU. Again scroll down, you will see the features hardware tools. Again scroll down, so here you will see the features development tools. In features development tools there are 4 software which are required for the programming of dsPIC. So initially we need only 2 softwares. One is MPLAB X IDE, another is MPLAB X compiler. So MPLAB X IDE software is used to write the program, whereas MPLAB XC compiler is used to compile the program which you have written. So here download MPLAB X IDE. So on the screen you will see this MPLAB X IDE is available in 3 versions. One is for Windows base, another is Linux base, and one more is for MAC OS base. There is MPLAB X IDE release notes. So you can download these notes, which will give you the information regarding to MPLAB X IDE. So click on download MPLAB X IDE Windows base. Come back and save this MPLAB X 6.05 window dash installer.exe on your computer. Then go back. So next is MPLAB XC compiler. So click on download MPLAB XC compiler. So incoming window you will see this MPLAB XC compiler is also available in 3 versions. One for 8-bit microcontroller, second for 16-bit microcontroller, and third one is for 32-bit microcontroller. So MPLAB XC16 is a 16-bit microcontroller and dsPIC is the 16-bit microcontroller. So click on download. In the window you will see again this XC16 is available in three versions. One is a Linux base, another is a MAC OS base, and third one is a Windows base. As we downloaded the MPLAB X IDE Windows base, we need to download MPLAB XC16 also Windows base. So click on download.